Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Just a quick video today, and I just wanted to ask you guys a question, get some feedback. When you've got a big project on, or there's lots to do you ever get depressed about it? Do you ever get sick and tired of it? Because I haven't been to the house now for well over a week, if I'm honest, and I just couldn't face it, if I'm honest with you. And it's I mean, yesterday, I wasn't working this weekend. Yesterday I got up intending to do lots of things, and you know what, I couldn't be bothered. Spent all day in the house, just at home. I didn't do anything, I was just sort of like dossing really, and I felt really guilty because I didn't do anything. There's loads of things that need to be done, where I live, and also in this renovation project, but I couldn't face it, to be honest with you. I just could not be bothered. And I think one of the reasons is because I think naturally, if you do something quite intensively, you need a break from it, and sometimes things can become a bit overwhelming. I mean, this place at the moment, I'm just going to readjust this the camera, but there's shit absolutely everywhere, and it's just a bit depressing really, to be honest with you. Obviously when you're doing work, and especially plastering work, the place gets really untidy, it gets very dirty, but the place is just a mess really, just stuff everywhere. I do like working in a reasonably tidy environment, and it's just a mess. The last occasions I was here, I didn't tidy up after myself. And that's one of the things I always try and make a point of doing. I always tidy up after doing a job, because it's makes it so much more inviting when you come back, rather than walking through the door and you think, oh God, what a mess, what a shithole basically. I haven't tidied up since working in here last, and it's a complete mess, and a little bit depressing really. So I think one of the things I'm actually going to do before I do anything else today is to have a good old clear up really. Just tidy things up, have a clear up, get all the crap up, have a good vacuum, so that the place looks a lot more inviting, and so I feel a bit more motivated just to get stuck in again, and just to continue with my plastering, and just to get a bit more done basically, rather than just wallowing around in mess, and just not feeling the love. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me have your feedback. Do you ever feel that way, and what do you do about it? What do you do to try and motivate yourself and inspire yourself just to pick yourself up and get stuck in again? Let me know, I'd be really interested. Take care, bye.